मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान निकतेच पर्वरीच्या प्रबोधन शिक्षण संस्थेच्या विद्या प्रबोधिनी संस्थेचे उक्तावण केले। विद्या प्रबोधिनी महाविद्यालयान कॉमर्स, बीएड, कंप्यूटर आनी व्यवस्थापन शिकयतले।
आमचें मत अशें आसा की शिक्षण जर बरें जालें जाल्यार सगळ्यो गोश्टी बऱ्यो जातात। म्हणून जशें हायर एज्युकेशनाची क्वॉलिटी इम्प्रूव करपाची आसा तशी प्रायमरी एज्युकेशनची क्वॉलिटी इम्प्रूव करपाची आवश्यकता आसा। उदक पोल्यूट जाल्यार जाता, झरो पोल्यूट जावंक जायना न्ही। हो बीए बीएड हो झरो आसा अशें म्हजें मत आसा। म्हाका दिसता झरो जर तूं बरो येयत जाल्यार हळू करून प्रदूशण जाल्लें उदक व्हांवून वतलें आनी गोंयांत बरें शिक्षणाचें स्वच्छ शिक्षण मेळपाक आमकां संदी मेळटली अशी हांव अपेक्षा कॉलेजी कडच्यान करतां।
मडगांव वाठारांत पावसाक लागून खुबशे कडेन तरेतरेचे प्रस्न उप्रासल्यात। पळोवया लोकांच्यो कांय प्रतिक्रिया।
हे उदक बोल्लां गॅरवेज जाल्यार वर जाल्यार आमच्या 27 तारखेर फेस्त जाल्ले। आज बसून ती गॅरवेज लोकांनी शेतांत ओडून म्युन्सिपालिटीन गार्बेज ओडून जायते जाणांक उदक बुलक जावन आनी हे पळय किम्सां बोल्ल्या काळें उदक आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार मलेरिया जाता आमच्या भुरग्यांक आनी किम्सां मूस ओल्ड मार्केटांत मातशें जाता तितले बेगीन हांव म्युन्सिपालिटीच्या लागीं आनी हेल्थ सेंटरा लागीं म्हणटा ही गळण जाल्या ती काडात आनी आमकां एक बरो रस्तो करून वाट करून उदकाची सोडून दियात म्हणून।
The main problem starts from the road. The entry road is hardly 3 meters, which they claim it is 6 and 8 meters wide, which is not. Moreover, they have got such a big project, more than 70 flats. So much of traffic coming in out right now, and in course of time is going to exceed. Not only beside that, they have not done any way for the drainage for water, which is coming from the hill, and now right now they have left it into our property. Last 2 years they were saying agreeing to have a separate drainage for their water, but they have done nothing. And this time again they have opened up and all the garbage and everything came up in front of our house, and now it becomes our house property becomes a low lying area because they have raised their property is more than about 3 meters. In other words, their property, which was about 1.5 to 2 meters below our property, now it has gone above our property. So all the water, everything comes into our property. And last night, with a little bit of a heavy rain, it has blocked completely our drain, and the water had collected in front of our house, almost about 3 steps, almost about 2 to 3 feet. So these problems which are going on.
So because of that instant rain, it seems that this whole thing was filled up with the water. So I will check with the file and accordingly I'll see what are the grievances they put forth before me. Actually, there was our councillor has complained to my chief officer. I think because of that, my junior engineer along with the ward council, they have inspected in the morning. I was busy with some other work. So my junior engineer and assistant engineer and my chief officer just go and see the thing.
It is part of the program we are carrying out in all the wards. Yesterday we did it in RK. Before that there was the tire drive, and it will continue in all the wards so that there is awareness among the people. We get to know what the people's problems are, and secondly, pipe workers also know what is expected from them. So we will continue this drive in all the other wards.
Doctor, what is the malaria condition in Margao?
The malaria condition in Margao, always the cases increase during the rainy season, and we expect a rise to happen in the.
ह्या 4-5 दिसान म्हाका जायते जाणांनी अमृतनगरान मलेरिया स्टार्ट जाल्ले आनी सगळ्यांक एक 7-8 फॅमिलींतल्यान फोन केलो. सो हांवें डॉक्टर सिल्वाकान हेका रिक्वेस्ट केलें मातशें आमी आज सॅटर्डे हें करया म्हणून. सो ऑन द स्पॉट तेमी सांगलें तुका जाय तेन्ना आमी करया, आनी इतलें हें जावन तेमी सकाळीं आज 9 क्लीन. And you can see all this drainage and all, everything is this year it is clean.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान ह्या खबराचें हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.